5G will be the key to unlocking the full potential of industrial edge, collecting sensor data to teach AI systems how to continuously learn and improve. For we're here to shed some light on how 8 major obstacles that you might encounter along the way. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness the unstoppable force that's shaking up every industry in its path. But before I introduce myself, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer power of artificial intelligence. From our phones to our refrigerators, AI has become ubiquitous. But what many fail to realize is that we've only just begun to scratch the surface of what it can do. Economists have coined AI as a general purpose technology, and it's not hard to see why. It's like a giant, beautiful wrecking ball, knocking down walls and barriers in manufacturing, fintech, healthcare, and beyond. In fact, we're witnessing a fundamental shift across all industries thanks to this game-changing technology. Now, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Arvind Sareem, and I'm the proud leader of Copper Digital, a tech agency dedicated to helping small and medium-sized manufacturing companies step boldly into digital transformation journey. But today, we're not just talking about keeping up. We're talking about blasting off into the future. We're going to explore the AI world, unfold the top 6 technological advancements that have changed the game, and then take a ride through the 4 industrial revolutions and tackle head-on the challenges of deploying AI in industry. So fasten your seatbelts, folks, because this is going to be a wild ride. From hunter-gatherers to city-states, from horse-drawn carriages to self-driving cars, our journey as a species has been defined by a series of game-changing technologies and the 6 big technology advancements that have really transformed the world as we know it. Well, let's just say they are the OG disruptors. First up, we've got domesticated agriculture, the original game changer that allowed us to put down roots and build the world's first great civilizations. Then there is language, the OG social network that enabled us to connect, collaborate, and create across various distances and time periods. Fast forward a few thousand years and we've got internal combustion engine, the original muscle car that lets us ditch our 4-legged friends and take control of the roads. And who could forget electricity, the shockingly powerful force that revolutionized the way we work, play, and live our lives. Of course, we can't talk about game-changing tech without mentioning information technology, the ultimate power tool that enabled automation, digitization, and a whole new era of productivity. And now we've got AI, the wonder kid that's taking the world by storm with its superhuman intelligence and limitless potential. It's no coincidence that each of these general purpose technologies were the sparks that ignited revolutions. But notice that each of these general purpose technologies took centuries or even millennia to have a transformative impact on society. In the last 100 years, civilization has undergone not 1, but 4 industrial revolutions. The first industrial revolution was like the spark that lit the fire under civilization's bum, thanks to the internal combustion engine. Suddenly, everyone was like, wait a minute, we don't have to rely on horses and buggies to get things done anymore. It was like discovering the wheel all over again. Then electricity came along and really lit things up. The second industrial revolution was like flipping a switch and saying, let there be light and factories and assembly lines and mass production. It was like the world suddenly got a massive jolt of energy, and we've been buzzing ever since. But hold on your hats, because here comes the third industrial revolution, and it's about information technology. It was plugging in a computer and saying, hey, let's see what this thing can do. And boy, did it do a lot. From email to e-commerce, we suddenly had power to connect with people and businesses all over the world. world, and the world got a whole lot smaller. But now we're in the fourth industrial revolution, and it's all about AI. Artificial intelligence isn't just a fancy buzzword, it's a game changer. It's like giving a computer a brain and saying, okay buddy, let's see what you can do. And the scary thing is that it can do a lot as well. It can learn, it can improve, it can even operate autonomously, which means we're entering a brave world of technology that's going to change everything. A decade ago, AI computing, the cosmic collision of machine learning algorithms, mountains of data, and the power of GPU computing was the big bang into our journey into the age of artificial intelligence. And who were the first to capitalize on it? The big hyperscalers, of course, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Baidu. They were very quick to integrate cloud-based AI services into their platforms, ushering a new era. But that was just the beginning. Now we're seeing the next phase of AI journey as it breaks out of the cloud and spills into the industrial assets. The AI of things, AIoT as it is called at times, presents a whole new set of challenges and opportunities. The industrial edge is like the wild west of AI computing, filled with unmanaged remote assets like factories, oil fields, and rail networks. But with emerging technologies like 5G, there's hope for the future. 5G will be the key to unlocking the full potential of industrial edge, collecting sensor data to teach AI systems how to continuously learn and improve. But not all industrial systems can rely on connectivity. Some require intelligent agents to operate autonomously, like robots or complex cyber-physical systems that continuously learn, adapt, and improve their performance. The next two waves of AI systems operate in the wild outside of managed data centers, bringing a whole new meaning to the term wildcard. The impact of AI-infused industrial edge, or AI of things, is massive, affecting all sorts of industrial applications. Engineers are using AI to run huge HPC simulations, optimize product designs and manufacturing processes, and even discover new catalysts and industrial materials. It's a brave new world out there, and AI revolution is just getting started. AI is the ultimate problem solver that is shaking up the industries across the board. It's no longer just a tool for sci-fi writers to dream up world-conquering robots. In fact, AI is already making waves in image-based quality inspection and precision in manufacturing, especially in the high-tech semiconductor industry. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Companies are also leveraging AI for predictive maintenance and service operations, worker safety, and productivity assistance. It's like having a trusty robot sidekick that can help you with any task and keep you safe while doing it. And AI doesn't just stop there. It's also being used to optimize supply chain and logistics operations with the help of collaborative robots and autonomous ground vehicles. You can streamline material handling and make Terminator a reality. Just kidding. Maybe you could. I don't know. But the real magic of AI is when it's seamlessly integrated into the workflow of human operators. It's like having a coworker who understands you so well that they can anticipate your needs and communicate with you in the natural language. And with augmented vision tools like AR or VR, you can have superhuman vision that makes even the most complex tasks a breeze. Of course, all of this generates a ton of data, but with AI, you can turn that data into insights and optimize your operations in real time. In fact, while we've talked about the incredible power of AI and how it makes even the most complex tasks a breeze, I can't help but recall the amazing digital transformation we did for one of our clients. Their name is Turnpoint. With over 20 home service brands spanning 27 states, Turnpoint had a lot of balls in the air, but their existing business model was a bit like playing Zynga with outdated Excel sheet. I mean, we all love a classic, but sometimes you need a modern twist to keep things from tumbling down. Before partnering with Copper Digital team, Turnpoint was struggling to keep up with the pace of their business growth. Their manual, intuition-based process were prone to error, and their forecasts were based on old data that just couldn't keep up with evolving business landscape. That's where we came in. Our team of solution architects, data engineers, UI UX designers, and product managers worked really closely with Turnpoint to strategically lay out a digital transformation plan that would help them streamline their operations, reduce risk, and drive growth. We created all-in-one data warehouse to analyze and predict call volume accurately using the most advanced AI-based forecasting model that would put even the most seasoned fortune teller to shame. This model was built with robust AI technology to analyze 10 plus weather parameters, including geolocation, population density, and more. The result, by replacing manual processes with data-driven insights, we were able to improve Turnpoint's accurate sales forecasting by over 98%. Plus, our smart dashboard and augmented reporting system gave their team the power to make more precise resource allocation decisions, improving their business operations and customer satisfaction. Moral of the story, AI isn't just a buzzword. It's revolutionary technology that can transform even the most complex business models. With AI-powered forecasting and analytics, Turnpoint was able to achieve unprecedented levels of accuracy and efficiency, boosting their sales and overall customer satisfaction. And the best part? Well, the power of AI is only continuing to grow, with new advancements and applications emerging every single day. But deploying AI can be a challenge as daunting as trying to build a robot out of toothpicks. But fear not, for we're here to shed some light on how 8 major obstacles that you might encounter along the way. First up, connectivity. Without a strong and speedy connection, you'll have a better chance of teaching a dog to drive than curating enough data and train your AI models. And even if you do manage to get your hands on enough data, the second challenge is scalability. Trying to train all of your AI models from scratch is like trying to bake a cake without a recipe. It's possible, but it's a hot mess. Once you've got your models trained up, the third challenge is provisioning infrastructure for your data scientists to experiment and develop with. And after that, the fourth challenge is deploying and managing your models in remote industrial environments. Simple, right? Imagine trying to keep a mischievous toddler from running amok in a toy store, only the toddler is an AI model and the toy store is a remote industrial environment. Yikes. That's not all. The fifth challenge is cybersecurity. You need to keep your models and data safe from cyber attacks, or you'll be up the creek without a paddle. Just ask Taiwan, where cybersecurity intrusions have cost millions of lost productivity and remediation. And don't forget to protect your people. They are your most valuable resource. The sixth challenge is the AI systems can be like genie in the bottle, capable of granting your wishes, but with a potentially dark side. They may unintentionally perpetuate biases and discrimination, leading to ethical concerns and lack of transparency. And let's not forget the challenge of training autonomous agents that can handle messy, unpredictable industrial environments. It's like trying to teach a teenager to do their own laundry. And finally, the eighth challenge is designing and optimizing factory operations in real world, like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube with your feet. In short, deploying AI for industrial applications requires a tech-savvy Hercules to overcome 8 massive challenges. But with determination, creativity, and a touch of humor, you might just succeed. So, to all the tech-savvy Herculean entrepreneurs out there, don't let these challenges scare you. Embrace the power of AI, and who knows what heights you can reach. And if you enjoyed this video and want to get more up-to-date content from us on latest tech trends, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, because at Copper Digital, we don't just talk the talk, we walk the AI walk.